In this video, we're going to show you how you can download and install Forge for Minecraft version 1.21.7. If you do find this video tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for even more Minecraft guides. Now, Forge is a mod loader that allows you to run mods in Minecraft, and we're going to walk you through the entire setup. First, if you do have Minecraft open, go ahead and close it, and yes, this does include the launcher. Now open up your preferred web browser. In this case, we're going to go ahead and use Chrome, but it doesn't really matter what you use, and go to curseforge.com. Go ahead and select Minecraft just like so and hit browse all up at the very top, and now you want to scroll down until you see the game version. Just select version 1.21.7 and make sure you set the mod loader right here to Forge. From here, you can go ahead and download whatever you would like. I'm going to go ahead and download the collective right here just because there is a ton of different mod support in this specific mod, but you could choose whatever mod you would like. Once you find whatever you'd like, go ahead and simply click on it just like so, find the little files option just like that, and then go ahead and once again select the game version of 1.21.7, find Forge on here, click these three dots and hit download file. It's going to take you to a page right here where you just need to wait for about 5 seconds, and then it's going to automatically start downloading. Once that's downloaded, we're ready to install Forge. To do so, go ahead and open up a brand new browser and search for files.minecraftforge.net. On the left hand side, make sure you're selected on the right version, which is 1.21.7, and hit installer just like that. It's going to take you to, once again, another page that looks something like this. Wait about 5 seconds, and it's going to take you to the actual download. Just don't click anything on this page. It's all advertisements. But hit skip up at the very top. It'll download for you, and you're good to go. Now that Forge is installed, go ahead and actually open up that download and double click on the Forge launcher. And what it's going to do is open up a page that looks something like this. If it doesn't look like this for you, go ahead and download Java. That means you don't have Java installed. You need to make sure that you have Java in order to have not only Minecraft Java Edition working, but also just any sort of mod. But once you do that, by just going to another tab and searching up like Java download, then open this up, make sure you're on install client and make sure it's version 1.21.7, hit OK, it's going to load for a second, and then hit OK again. From here, you can close this and actually open up that Minecraft launcher again. And what you're going to want to do is not only ensure that Forge is on right here with the right version, but go to the installations tab, find Forge again, and click on this installations folder. Go ahead and find the mods folder in here. If you don't already have one, you're able to create one, but essentially this is where you're going to want to drag that mod in. So I'm going to open up another file explorer right here, go to downloads, find whatever mod I just downloaded. In this case, it was the collective, and just simply drag it in here. Now I can go ahead and close out of this, and all I have to do is simply hit play on this section or go back to the main screen and make sure this is on Forge 1.21.7, hit play. Now once you get loaded in, a clear indicator that you have Forge working is not only it's going to say Forge at the bottom, but you also have a mods tab right here. You can click on the mods tab to see whatever mod you currently have. But essentially, as long as you see mods and Forge beta down here, you're good to go. You've now installed Forge for Minecraft 1.21.7, added a mod, and are ready to play. If this video did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for even more Minecraft guides. It really does help out the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.